Good morning, guys. Sorry, I have roofers at my house right now, so dealing with that. I had a hot roof put on and it leaked, so they got to fix it. Hey, Chris, I did get your email. I was just busy all weekend. I hadn't responded yet. I wouldn't suggest using TD Ameritrade. Let's get into this here, guys. Chris, you on? You ready? All right, so let's take a look here. I just literally started at the market, so I'm going to burn through this pretty quick, you guys. So dealing with these roofers outside is a pain in my ass. Oh, I got to open that. I only use Thinkorswim for some other information that I'm looking for. I don't trade with it, just so you know. Okay, Jeff, Chris. Looked at a house on the lake, Mahaffey. I think I could buy it for about 600 grand. It's in foreclosure. They owed 1.4 million on Lake Monroe. I got somebody who wants to rent this house right now for 5,000 a month. So I'm like, fuck it, you could rent it. I'll just go buy another one. Let me see here. So the high came in during trading hours. So I'm gonna get rid of this. This is the old breakout. Man, I really don't want to. Let me see here. All right, Let me go look across the board so I can try to figure out what the hell I think's going on right now. Q's pulled back from highs. Put in a high during hours again. Everybody's looking for the high, and I'm looking for the high too. If you hear some banging on the mic, it's because I got roofers on my roof right now. I think we have to watch for this low. 366.79. So we've got higher lows. That's what I'm just trying to spin across and get a feel for what's going on. I usually do this before we get trading. Just let me look at this real quick. Zoom into Amazon here. So Amazon's got this wiki candle up to 3361.85 market maker candle, which is higher than higher than Friday's highs. And Amazon's currently above the open. It's hanging on it. It's actually under. All right. Very wish-washy this morning. So we've got some market maker candles up to highs after hours. We could be looking for a long around 366.79, but Q's would break its low. That makes sense for them to do that type of play today. Very wish-washy in the basket, guys. If you look at the basket, you see how we're red, green, red, green, red, green. There's a lot of go either way. So we may have to sit on our hands here. I got 20 minutes, so I'm going to work my way through this. So I try not to think it's going up or down, but I want to have a good determination of what I expect it to do when it comes into these levels, right? That's what we're trying to figure out. So low a day on Q's is going to be 366.91. But this market maker candle breaks that and comes down to 366.79. See, there's really no support here. We tag the 9. If it comes into the 9, it likes to bounce the 9, guys. So this Q says we're going to get a dip early, it looks like. Or we're going to go straight up here and fail. Come back to SPY. This is one of those tough mornings. So we've got a deep candle on SPY as well. It's right by the previous high. See, if it hangs in this area and dips in here, I would probably feel okay for a long. We could watch for the short here at the pre-market high of these market maker candles here, which is going to be right around the close. You see, the market maker candles just run up to the close, so it just makes it easy to tag the close. Friday's close is right here. So that's basically our channel. Now, it can bounce in or around this line right here, as you can tell. We're just going to have to figure out. What the hell is that? Oh. So, that's what we're looking for on SPY. Go through the stocks and see if I can get a consensus, but I don't think I'm going to. Pre-market low on Apple. Had this big market maker candle down here. Let me get rid of these. We don't need these anymore. Let's mark this off. Last Tuesday's low was below this 145.38, but that's within standard risk. Our high on Apple Friday was up here, 144.7, 147.11. Can watch that for the short. It could short here at this 146.28. The bottom of the, the close. Very interesting. Apple could go either way today. It needs to get over this 146.28 to really go. I can send that to you, Chris, on TC2000. I can just send it to you. Chris watched some videos, I can tell. All right, so did you sign up to the thing? If not, I need to send you the Zoom link. I didn't even look, buddy. So AMD gapped up, came down, filled the gap, broke down. Below, that's a lot of weakness. I'll have to watch that short right here, pre-market high, 111.68. Now we're only going to give this trade up to 112.30. I really only give it up to about this range right here. I think that's going to be the risk box on this trade. We'll have to watch this for a short. Let me get you the... yeah, I don't talk about that stuff on the YouTube, so you know. You've got that link for the Zoom link, Chris. Just put it under, hold on, I need to send you the damn password. What time is it? 9:16, okay. Still got time. My brain is just not awake yet. I gotta get Chris the Zoom link here. Hold on. Chris, I just sent you the Zoom link. So did you get good information out of the videos? Did you watch them all? Yeah, true statement. No, the Zoom link's separate. The chat room is just our private chat that the public doesn't see. Most of the people are in Zoom talking in and out. So, but I have the chat when I start to grow it. That's why I put that out there. All right. All right, guys. So now you shouldn't have, Chris. You shouldn't have any lag on the Zoom, like you do from the YouTube channel. Just mute the YouTube, I guess. All right. So AMD here, 109.60 is the low. Pre-market low. Broke yesterday's lows. Gap up and then broke yesterday's lows. That's an interesting play. So we're just gonna have to watch that and see how it shakes out coming into the open. We're running out of time here. We got to get cooking. It's hard to see what's going on. Let me put this up there. That's the low. It's hard to see Amazon right now. Oh, gotcha. Okay. I don't know where Tandon is this morning. He was partying over the weekend. God damn, I knew Carnival was going to be a good play right there. Ah, missed it. Look at Coinbase go. Son of a bitch. That was a good bounce there, wasn't it? Came right back in. This is where it should bounce. It bounced. Took off. It's funny. All right. Disney's candles down. Facebook. Facebook pre-market lows, but I don't really like Facebook for a long. I like the short here, pre-market high. Up to this high here. Friday. Whoop, get up there. That would be my risk on that trade. What, 30 cents? That's nothing. There's some signs I'm seeing going through that there's some weakness in these stocks. So that's my risk box there. That's about as high as I want to take it. We'll watch that for the short, and then the long, it would have to be down here. And it would have to be market dependent on this Friday's low. I'm really not crazy about it. It looks like it's strong. It could run back up, but I'm not crazy about it. So let's watch it. All right. Wow. Gold came down like a brick. Google. I gotta open my trade deck. My half year's slipping. Count on you to tell me to open my trade deck. Be nice if I fucking type my shit right. So in the chat, if you have questions and I'm not around, you can put it in the chat and I'll see it because I have that up on one of my screens on my desk. So when I come by my desk, I just look at the chat, see if anybody's asked me questions. All right, now that I got that open. Got about 2 minutes, guys. Sorry, I'm behind this morning with this roofer thing. My MasterCard, look at that. Look at that phantom tick on MasterCard. Holy shit. have to watch MasterCard for a long. 371.20s. Have to watch that for a long. That's called a phantom tick right there. You never seen one? That's it. All right, so watch MasterCard for that long. I like that long considering there's a phantom tick. We could get a big move out of MasterCard today. Mahaffey, you see that phantom tick on MasterCard? I haven't seen one of those for a while. It was after hours on Friday though. That's the only thing. But we'll keep an eye on it. Microsoft break highs pre-market again? Wow. All right. Well, that's interesting. How much time do I got? 30 seconds. Watch Microsoft for this low. 288.83 for the long. All right, let's watch this thing open up. We'll see what happens here, guys. All right, Apple's trying to break out of its pre-market high already. There goes SPY, broke its pre-market high. Q's is running at the high. Microsoft's dipping. Look at Apple go. Woo, Apple, baby. SPY's at my wrist box on the short, smashed through it. Q's broke highs. Look at this run up. I'll be looking for a short, guys. I'm going to let this come up, and then I'm going to be looking for a lower high. Amazon straight up. What wild action. Remember, we sized down on Mondays, so sitting in my hands, I'm just watching the charts to see what happens. I'm trying to let this shake out a little bit. I really want to take that SPY short right there. Right into Friday's highs. I'd like this to pull back up, and I'd grab SPY short here, I think. That's what I like right now. I mean, shit, it ain't going to come up. Look at this shit. Amazon's still pushing. SPY's falling. First tag of SPY into VWAP may bounce. Strong. I'm gonna wait on the short, guys, I think. I don't want to get caught if this thing dips. The risk is big. See SPY coming down? Doggone it. This is one of those wonky starts. I'll be looking at the 443 shorts if I enter. 443 puts, excuse me. Like right there. I entered short on SPY, 443s. The retest of VWAP. Amazon broke down. We'll just see. Started small. Up $10. 11. Peel a little profit there. Very nice. There goes Amazon. Apple looks like it's about to put in a double top. Microsoft's still fucking squeezing. Some more profit. 117. Come on, baby. These puts aren't paying for crap, really. Boom. 124. I'm almost out of contracts. Holy crap, look at that. Look at that candle. Watch this bounce. 142s. I'm out all the way. It just filled me at 152. Get out of here. $102 to $152 in 3 minutes, boys. It's almost $50 a contract right there. All right, we're going to watch this bounce down here at 441. I almost want to start in right now. Q's still has some room to go. I wish I'd taken a bigger position. Happens sometimes. Size down on Monday. I only started with 30 contracts right here. It's trying to hold. Here comes Apple. Apple put in that double top. Mahaffey, I can't believe you didn't jump on that Apple double top. It was right there. I'm looking for the long on the 441s. I'm going to take that first hit, guys. Into that level, I'll probably take that first hit. Here we go. I'm long. Filled me 101. Come on up, baby. Let's go, baby. That's the bounce I'm looking for right there. Come on. Take a little profit. Oh, you bastard. Filled me at 109. There we go. There we go. There we go. 115. Take your profit quick on this trade. Don't mess around. Apple just broke that low. Setting a stop on the rest of the SPY at 102. I'm hoping Amazon puts in a higher low and SPY puts in a higher low, and then Q's just does a flash and a suck up. Apple's into the call levels. Broke Friday's low though, but it's sucking up. It's trying to come up. Microsoft's into my call level. Damn, I want to take that trade too. Oh, the Microsoft trade looks good. Everything's into the proper bounce zones right now. Listen, I'm not marrying this long, okay? I already took a big shot of my profit right here. I took it twice. I got filled at 109, then filled again at 115 on the 441 calls. Apple's trying to bounce. These are the bounces we're looking for. If Amazon breaks this, though, we're going to have a problem. Which it did. Oh, no, it didn't. Yep, it did. Damn it. Subtleties, guys. I watch for these subtleties that makes my decision whether I stay in a trade or get out. Looks like Q's is going to come down a little bit. Might just consolidate right here and take off. Hopefully it doesn't stop me out. See, there goes Q's. The reason I'm very cautious is because Q's has all this room to move down here, right? So SPY's got to come up to be able to suck down as Q's comes down. Apple's holding the call level. Microsoft's trying to hold. Short and long very quick. Come on, SPY. Get it together, baby. Apple's beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Come on, SPY. Let's go. Let's go. Amazon's trying to go. Let's go, SPY. Give me VWAP. I'll take all my profit. I'm not greedy. How about you, Mahaffey? Are you in? Oh, you didn't take that SPY, you little chicken shit. Should have took Apple versus SPY, but SPY's being a dog at the moment. I think this is where she bounced, though. She could jam down here to the 9, but I hope not. I got a stop out, so it don't matter. Within $3 of stopping out, I'll just rebuy if I like where it goes to. My stop's 102. It hasn't activated my stop. That's interesting. It flashed 102 on the bid. If Amazon would start running, I'd start buying more SPY. Let me look across the board here. Microsoft's starting to come. Microsoft's to the penny off 288.83. Oh shit, that MasterCard play I wanted to look at. Oh, MasterCard dipped below that level too. Microsoft's coming up. Listen, guys, that Microsoft play, you don't call no level no better than that. Right to the effing penny. Here we go. We're starting to creep up. Come on, Amazon. Help us out here. If I get another dip, I'm going to grab some more if Amazon holds this right here. Everything's coming back down. Here comes SPY. She ain't paying a lot yet. I'm roughly up about $10 a contract. I knew I should have bought right there. You leaving, babe? Come on, SPY. Gotta zoom my shit in so I can watch it tag. I watch the bid and stuff over here. When it tags up around this range is when I get my profit. Here we go, baby. Here we go. We went right to the bottom and we're on our way back up. Wish I had more contracts. I'm taking some right there on that pop. Filled me $1.26. 441 calls. I only have 15 contracts left, guys. I knew I should have bought more down here. God. Take a little more there. I have to take it when that contract popped, $1.35. 5 more off. I got 10 left. There she goes. Broke to the 200. Microsoft come in and gave a double bottom and I missed it. Up almost 50 a contract right now. About $500 profit on the last 10. Apple's perfect. Microsoft's perfect. Facebook was perfect. Everybody's perfect today. Facebook came a little early. Bounced the pre-market low. Still a good play. Everything worked the way it should so far. Except for Amazon's down right now, which I don't like. Peeled another 5 contracts off. $1.42. Filled me like trash because I hesitated. Got 5 left. 441 calls. I'm going to raise the stop up to $1.30. What a perfect move on Apple. Just perfect. Amazon tells me I should be starting to short SPY. Same with Qs. I'm going to start looking for lower highs. Probably get one more pop, I would think. Depends on what happens here with Apple, Amazon, if everything can start to get over pre-market. Microsoft's flat. 288.83, it's trying to hold that level. Apple just jammed up to just below a double top. Bunch of shorts sitting there executed. Perfectly within 10 or 20 cents. Look at that. Perfect. Bang. I am out of SPY. It just stopped me out. I have no open trade now. That was two very nice trades on SPY. One was reactionary to the market, and one was a level call. You just got to trust the level that it's going to hold. Now, did I take 100 contracts? No. Took 50. It's Monday. Sorry. Now, if SPY can come down here and do a double bottom, and Amazon can continue to push, I would get it. I would take that long. But we have to get some continuation out of Apple. Microsoft would need to come up. What's Google doing? Google bounced perfect off that 2708. Look, guys, these levels work. You know, we go through and we look at the charts early. Look, Google came right into it. Dang, bounced. Is that a big bounce on Google? Not big, but it bounced. Facebook came down, came to pre-market low. I said I didn't really like it there. Facebook likes to push out, so I really wanted it deeper. So we'll see what happens. Said I liked AMD short at 111.68. Where'd AMD go short it? Where'd it go, guys? 111.68. Bang. Right straight to it and dumped. Damn it. I missed that. That was a perfect short. Shorted SPY one, took it long at the bounce, made all this movement, about $50 a contract was the max. I'm pretty good profit today, guys. I'm probably not taking another trade. Don't need to overtrade. One and done, two and done. The most I try to do is 3. That'll be my maximum. SPY's coming down. This is the type of move I'm looking for to take it long if Amazon can break out. See, this is the things I'm looking for. Apple, Amazon. Q's is high, SPY is low, right? SPY is low. To watch SPY down in here. I really want to take it right now, but there's just too much risk. That's 50 cents. I'll let it get as deep. I'll start risk trying it down here. I may not take that trade, but I'm just saying. If I was looking for another trade, I'd be watching this double bottom. But Amazon would have to be climbing up. Apple would have to break this pre-market high or the intraday high. I'd have to see some kind of extension. Google's coming up. Probably should have took it already. Mahaffey, you still inspired? You take that profit, get out. You're out. Good man. Chris, did you take a trade? Here comes that long. But it's right in the middle. It's either got to get down here where I have defined risk. See, this is why I don't like to take these trades out in the middle. They're setting up a trap right now, guys, if you don't realize it. Question is it a bear trap or a bull trap? How's that wish trade doing? Look at that. Look at that, Chris. Coming back up. It's right into that uptrend. Needs to get through this right here. It's important. Then it should pop up, hit the 50, come back, tag this, and then run. Hopefully, for your sake, sir. Coming in for this double bottom. It's trying to put in a higher low and keep sliding. We got to define lower high on Qs. Amazon didn't make it back up over the open. Maybe we can get a double bottom down here. Apple's still holding up. Google's coming back down. Microsoft's just been holding the call, just holding it. Google bounced, run right up. Boy, AMD was a perfect short. Could have rolled that all the way down. See, so when you're in this type of trade, right? You're watching the short on AMD. You're in the trade, and as you're gauging what's happening in this movement by what SPY's doing. So if you know SPY's coming into a bounce zone, if you're in AMD, look where it starts to slow down. Looks to slow down. That's where you should be getting out of the trade, right? And then it gave you one opportunity to get out, and then turned around and started coming back up. That's how you use this to gauge. We gauge it with SPY and Qs, right? We're watching it, gauging it. So if Q starts to come up in SPY, you've got to be aware if you're in short. If Apple breaks this high, I really don't need to take another trade, but there's a trade here on SPY. Apple just tagged the intraday. That's what all these lines are, so I can look quickly. So what I'd like to see is SPY jam straight from here. We don't want it to slide. We want it to come down in one or two candles. Boom, boom, into this 441.25, but we really don't want to break that low. Even though that's where this candle comes down to. So the later time goes, the less interested in this trade I'm getting. Because SPY could continue down. Amazon's down. Boy, that was a pretty stiff rejection on Apple right there. Waiting to see if anybody's going to break their levels. Microsoft's still trying to hold. Facebook's right at the call zone. 361.40. It's right there. You just got to start looking across the board. Look for signs that it's going to fail. There's a lot of information in there, isn't there, Chris? Mahaffey. Chris says he needs to watch the videos 100 times. You can't take it all in at one day, I promise. Hey, if this Zoom kicks off, I think it's going to kick off. I'll restart it, okay? God damn it. I don't know why I didn't bill my damn card. I just realized it. Let's back up. Facebook's trying to put in a higher low right now. Or Amazon, excuse me. Facebook bounced that 361.40 perfectly. Mahaffey kicked you out of Zoom, so you know. It was a very clean Monday. They're just burning premium now. It's premium burn. Microsoft's still trying to hold, and so is Facebook. I don't think they're going to hold. I think this is going to slip and come down. That's what it's starting to look like. As I say that, Apple drops 20 cents. See, Q's hasn't made it down here to the bottom, right? So we may get a rundown here. Which if SPY breaks through, SPY's going to come down and tag the 9. Which would be down around the close on Thursday. That damn MasterCard play, I think, is going to work. Getting awful slow now. Market's slowed way down. See, Amazon's trying to hold the double bottom. Apple sits right here at the you know what people in the room. Kept almost buying, kept on. I'm like, I already made enough money. I don't need to buy anymore or take any more risk. It's more about taking your risk when you're taking trades and not taking trades. So Right. I agree. All right. All right, guys. Well, it's 10 after 10. It looks like it's just going to get choppy here. I think I'm done completely for the day. So, YouTube, I'm going to sign off here. I'm going to talk to my guys in the room. You guys have a great day.